Assalaamu alaykum and welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson we're looking at page 40 of the Safar Abridged Qaidah. So we're continuing on the topic of Shaddah. So bear with me. Before I start, I just want to give a quick shout out to better get this right, AR and ZR Pro. Yeah, well done boys, keep up the good work. Remember, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching everything that we're doing. Anything that we do, any good, we do it for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And any evil that we stay away from because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching us. Okay? Well done boys, keep it up. Going to the lesson, we're on this page here. You've got some quite difficult examples, some of them. You've got shaddahs, you've got sukoons, you've got a lot of harakat sorry, one second. There you go. You've got a lot of harakat going on. So the first box, number 1, yukadhibuka. Box 2, mumaddadatin. Notice the emphasis on the shaddah. You press that shaddah. Mutahhiruka. Box 4, musakharatin. Box 5, yuda'una. Box 6, akhartana. Box 7, fayattabi'una. Box 8, mutawaffika. We're on to box 9 now. Fabashirhum. يكذبون وليمحص. And box 12, يتكلمون. Sorry, I keep forgetting to say the box number, bear with me. Box 13 now, للحواريين. Box 14, فسنيسره. Box 15, يتطهرون. 16, فَلَنَقُصَّنَّ. Moving on to box 17. Here we have, you've already had an example on 16 where you've got two shaddahs, one after the other, which I had mentioned in previous lessons. So it's like a chain. The letters join together like in a chain. Sometimes you have, after that second shaddah, you might have a sukoon, you might have another shaddah. So you just have to bear in mind and keep looking at what's ahead, what's coming next. Is it another shaddah? Is it a sukoon? Or does the sound stop? So we're on 17. Durriyun. Box 18. Makkanna. There's a noon mushaddada gunna there. Box 19, lujjiyin. Box 20, yas'adu. Box 21, dhurriyatun. Box 22, illiyuna. Box 23, fa'asaddaqa. 24, rabbaniyina. Box 25, al-muzammilu. Again, you've got the mim mushaddada gunna there. 26, yaddarra'una. 27, al-muddathiru. 28, yadhakkaruna. Box 29, yasuddannaka. Again, Nun mushaddada gunna. 30, illiyina. 31, طلقتموهن. 32, tamassuhunna. And on the last line, we're on to 33, wasarrihuhunna. 34, فعدتهن. Box 35, لتنبؤن. a lot of ghunnas on this last line. And then box 36. لَنَصَّدَّقَنَّ. That's it for this lesson. If you have any comments, any suggestions, please do leave them below. Also feel free to drop us an email with the recording if you want any of your tajweed checking. There is also a playlist on this channel called Check My Tajweed, where you can upload your own YouTube video where you've done a recitation or you've read a page of the Qaidah, and that can be checked and feedback given inshallah in order to improve tajweed. And finally, don't forget to, subscribe. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.